this for us. So together we are doing the C major scale, 1 octave with open strings, and we are going to ascend and descend. We're going to call out the notes as we play them. With the right hand, if you just want to use your thumb, that's fine. I go into my finger picking position. So whatever note falls on, say, the C string, I will use my index finger. Whatever note or notes fall on the E string, I'll use my middle finger, and so on. So find what works for you. Or here's another way, you can use the alternating index and middle. We've talked about that before, and we'll talk about that again. So starting with middle C, which is the C string, and we're going to end with the C here. So you ready? 2, 3, 4. C, D, E, open string, F, G, A, open string, B, C. Now descending, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. One more time. 2, 3, 4. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Scales are fun. I know you don't believe me, but they're fun.